Hello traders, Joanne again from Binary Trader, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary options trading. Today I will show you a new strategy I used in the past for trading binary options. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for the support. Let's start. I am trading at Pocket Option. You can find the platform link in the description as usual. For this strategy, I will set up a structure called EMA ribbon. Among the indicators, I add 5 moving averages. All should be set to EMA type. I set the period of the first one to 3 and choose some bright color. Second has a period of 8 with a different color. Period is 13 for the third moving average. $21 for the fourth one. And I set the last one to 50. Make sure to choose the colors so you can easily recognize when all the moving averages are lined up. I traded this on the 30 seconds time frame, but feel free to test it on higher time frames too. The candles are also set to 30 seconds candles. I choose some pairs with decent payout. Let's look for opportunities. When all the moving averages line up on the close of a candle, place a bet. Soon they are about to line up from red to white, from slowest to fastest. If this happens, I will place a bet in the upward direction. I wait for the candle to close and enter then. That's all, it's quite simple. This is the perfect time to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps me a lot. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. First trade 1. Nice beginning. Here they will line up similarly at the close of the current candle. As you can see on the chart, there was some weakening in this move, But if our signal of the moving average lineup forms, there is a high chance that the move will continue. Here all the moving averages point down, but the orange one probably needs a few more candles to cross below red. As I said in previous videos too, patience is one of the most important skills in trading. I won't enter until the cross of the orange line is fully confirmed. As you see, this ended up as a green candle, so I would have been losing. That's why it's important to wait until the signals are fully confirmed. This time the moving averages are about to line up in the opposite direction, so I will place a bet in the downward direction when the candle closes. Nice. There is a decent gain, so it's time to end the session and relax. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Press the like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you like my content in general, so you don't miss upcoming